Mom of all trades here. I am cleaning behind a fridge today and I thought I would show you how bad it was. Check it out. Alright, here it is. I pulled out the fridge. As you can see, it's dirty on the side. Look at the back. It's so dirty. Say hi, buddy. Alright, so as you can see, the walls are pretty dirty. Look at that. I have not cleaned this side of the fridge. That has been this dirty in a very long time. So I'm going to vacuum this, clean this. Let's see what it can turn out to be. Alright, so we're done cleaning behind the fridge. Well, let me show you how good it looks now. Here's the side of the fridge. It looks like brand new. The back is all clean. The walls are clean. I even cleaned the cord. And the floor is scrubbed. The side of the cupboard's clean all around. Scrubbed the trim. Clean the back out. The fridge is probably going to work better now because it's not so dusty. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video. We'll see you for the next one.